Okay, so this is just a quick recap of what to do once you have all of your pictures gathered. So, first of all, you should have used Photo Booth, which if you don't know where to find Photo Booth, it's down here in my screen. However, most of you will need to type into it with up here in your magnifying glass and type in the words Photo Booth, okay? And it'll pop up and you can use Photo Booth. All right, so once you've used Photo Booth to take your pictures, then your pictures are already in there, and then you can take a screenshot of those pictures by using Command-Shift-4, okay? And then those pictures go to your desktop. Once you have edited all your images on your desktop, for example, if I wanted a picture of, say, of a horse for my poster, which I know seems random, I will explain at some point in time. While you have that, then I would, of course, have found a picture of a horse that had a white background on Google Images because I want to make my life easier. I would have Command-Shift-forward that image to get it to my desktop. Once it's on my desktop, I can happily, easily find it, and I will double-click on it, and I would say, of course, View, Show Markup Toolbar. From here, I would have clicked on that second button, and I would have clicked and dragged until all those backgrounds that I don't want have disappeared, and then I would press delete. Of course, I would have remembered to then say File, Save, and now that image is what's saved on my desktop. Okay, that was a huge recap, but once I'm done with all of that, you have noticed, hopefully, that on your assignment, I have attached a drawing template. Please click on that because that's where I want you to place everything. And your drawing template is just it will make one for you at that point. So once it's in your drawing template, if you just want to insert all those images so you don't lose them, the easiest way is insert image, upload from computer. And everything that you have created and manipulated for the day should be on there. So you can work on inserting and uploading all of these different images that you've created. And so then once they're there, they're in the place that you want. A little trick for you is typically if you press Command and click, you can get a multitude of images at once. And so you say open, and then they should, ta-da, all find their way right here on your drawings, and then they'll be there next week when you're ready to manipulate. All right, I hope that helps. Good luck.